And let's get a look at that forecast here as we round out the week and head on into the weekend. Chief Meteorologist Betsy Kling in. Betsy, people have those fingers crossed for a dry weekend after the last few days.
This is where we keep dangling the carrot, unfortunately. It's like, look at the sunshine on the horizon, and we still have rain. And this is the game we have to play, unfortunately, because we do have that big old body of water sitting just north of us, Lake Erie, and that is definitely adding its 2 cents to our forecast. So the lake rain and the clouds going to be stubborn through the day today, and even stretching into now tomorrow. We are waiting on not only dry air to get here, but the winds to begin to change, and that is just a process that unfortunately is going to take a little bit longer than earlier anticipated. So at least for the next few hours, we're going to continue with these mainly cloudy skies. Our temperatures in the 40s will back it down into the low 40s late tonight. If you're going out to Friday night football games, be prepared. It is definitely going to have a bit of a damp chill to the air. And if you're farther south, expect temperatures to really dip back, possibly into the 30s by the time the game ends. So we do have the showers that are still coming in off of Lake Erie. You can see we have a bit of a lull in new rain development out over the lake, but we are definitely still seeing showers that are coming in, especially on the west side out towards Strongsville, Berea, and as you head down into North Royalton. Also from downtown Cleveland straight out through Solon and into the Aurora area, and then farther east in the southern sections of Ashtabula County and down into northern Trumbull County. We still have those stubborn showers. Upstream, we've seen the rain backing off somewhat, but we are starting to see more and more cloud development in central Michigan. That's daytime heating having its say in what's going to happen for the rest of the afternoon. I switch it over to the high-res visible satellite imagery, and this is super important because you can see we have plenty of dry air that's coming over the lake, and then you start to see these little pops starting up. Those are cumulus clouds that are literally forming just because the lake is there, and that can oftentimes be kind of a signal that we're going to end up seeing more rain development, and it looks like that is going to be the case. We're going to hold on to the scattered rain chances through the rest of the afternoon into the evening and overnight, especially. That nighttime cooling really does its thing, and now it looks like those rain chances will linger into tomorrow morning. Let me take you hour by hour. You can see our scattered rain chances coming in off of the lake, mostly cloudy skies elsewhere. 7 p.m. snapshot here, temperatures in the low and mid 40s, especially south, and then late tonight, look at this, 30s by 9 p.m. in some locations, with those rain chances hanging on the lakeshore, not only late evening, but into the overnight hours too. Early morning freeze potential with a lot of frost likely in areas south of, let's say, 224 and I-76, but it does look like for the afternoon tomorrow, we'll start to get a little bit better chance for some sunshine, even though some of those showers may linger along the lakeshore. Here's the forecast. We're going to try for that dry weekend, but make sure you note the lakeshore shower chances are hanging on for Saturday. We'll be in the mid and upper 50s as we start next week, and then cooler air settles in once again as we head toward Halloween with rain chances holding on.